kind of boat you do anything to get on. Dock your way on, and it's a dream. So we're hanging out with some French guys chasing down Geronimo to do a little quick photo shoot. Birds are even excited. Finally catch the boat as they're attempting to do their first start.
Geronimo was tacking.
The boat was a little funky, so they decided to turn around and give it one more try to catch a little bit more breeze.
I don't know what's going on.
You can tell that the water's pretty flat just by looking around, but look how fast the boat's moving. It's a pretty amazing boat. This boat's breaking all sorts of records around the world. The crew is super cool. It was good. World famous photographer.
Geronimo turned around, put up their big jib, and they have started again. 0.8, Roger.
How long will it take them to reach Japan at 0.08 knots?
At 89 days and 4 hours, 10 seconds.
That's not very fast.
Now that's fast. This boat rocks, and it was a pleasure to be on board. The owner, super cool guy, and he's the designer, builder, and a farhead thinker, and that's his first mate. Thank you very much. It's real, and it's fast. It's real fast. Thanks to oceanfilmboat.com.